lose hope in what other people possess. Because you might have something and then you see what someone else has, and then suddenly what you have is insufficient. You know, whereas if it was just you, if you didn't know even that that blessing exists, you'd be satisfied. But because you've seen their house, because you've seen their car, because you've seen their spouse, because you've seen their life, because you've seen all that they're putting forth, suddenly everything is insufficient for you. And you're constantly after what someone else has. And especially when it comes to the matters of this dunya, the matters of this world. It's recalibrating, as we talked about previously, but it's also reactivating, right, towards that pursuit that you really should have. Pursuing the akhirah without hating people or envying people or seeing your blessings as very little because you think you're seeing someone else's blessings. When the Prophet ﷺ said, remember frequently, hadimul ladhat, the destroyer of pleasures. It's not just the destroyer of your blessings. It's the fact that that person that you're looking at, who has billions and billions and billions of dollars, millions and glamour, subhanAllah, when they die, not a single penny can be accessed.